friends, welcome to Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about marriage scene, metalu scene. Bridegroom is putting metalu to the bride. It is very easy to make, so without any delay, let's start the video. Now join 5 mm 28 strips and 3 mm 28 strips of 2 tight coils and make a little bit dome shape as shown in the video, and apply glue and apply neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. Let it dry it. Now join 5 mm 4 strips and make a cone shape. Here I am making legs for bridegroom. Make total 2 legs. Apply glue inside the cone as shown in the video. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5 mm 3 strips of second leg. It should be little big compared to another legs. Make little bit bigger. Make total apply glue inside the cone. Apply neatly. Make total 2 cones. After drying, cut in a V shape like this as shown in the video. Apply glue neatly and connect to the big cone like this in a sitting position. Make another one also with the same procedure. After drying, connect the legs to the base part of the coil. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips. Here I am making base body of bridegroom and take a Fevicol body line, make it stiff, make in a dome shape. Join 3 mm 25 strips and make a little dome shape. Now apply glue inside the domes and spread it neatly with the brush. Apply glue neatly to the 2 domes. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes as shown in the video. For things needed, check in description box below. Now again join 5 mm 20 strips and make a tight coil and apply glue and connect to it like this. It will be the shed for bridegroom. Now take a A4 size paper and make pleats in the middle part and cover the legs like this with the A4 size paper. Now take a Fevicryl acrylic metallic colors, pearl colors of silver color and yellow color. Now take a silver color more and little pinch of yellow color, little pinch, not more. Apply more silver color to give a pattu cloth look, pattu sari, pattu cloth, pattu pancha look. Like this you have to paint it. Now take a piece of paper and cut in a shed shape and attach to the dome like this. Now connect this dome to the shed part to the legs like this. Now cover the whole legs with the paper. Now paint the shed like this. Now connect the neck. For making neck, join 5 mm 2 strips. Now join 5 mm 2.5 strips and make a hands. Here I am making hands. It is upper part of hands. Now join 5 mm 2 strips and make a little bit bigger cone. Apply glue neatly inside the cones. Spread it neatly. Do it slowly when you are making big cones. After drying, connect the 3 mm 2 strips of tight coil. Connect on the back side like this. Make total 2 cones like this. Now apply glue to the smaller hand. Now connect smaller with bigger hand like this in a position. With the same procedure, connect the another one also. Hands are ready. Now making palm, join 5 mm to 3 mm 2 strips, not 5 mm, 3 mm 2 strips of 2 tight coils and make in a palm shape. Now take back the hands and take a piece of paper and roll it like this. to give a cloth look. Apply it neatly. After drying, it will be like this. Now now take back the hands and connect to the base body of bridegroom like this. Connect both the hands. After connecting, it will be like this. Now let it dry for some time. Join 5 mm and 3 mm 9 strips and make a cone shape. Little bit dome shape of skin color. After drying, connect the 2 domes. Here I am making face for bridegroom. Now connect the ears and nose. I have made facial expressions on the face and I have attached a leaf also on the head part. Now base body is also ready. Now I attach a face to the base body and connect the palms. Now I have taken a cardboard strip and I have pasted yellow color. It will be the seat for bridegroom. Now connect this seat to the bridegroom like this as shown in the video. Now bridegroom is ready. Now join 2 mm 1/5 strip. Here I am making metelu. The boy holds metelu on his hands. Like this I have attached small ball chain for chain look. Now bridegroom is completed. Now here I am making rolu. Now take a small piece of rolls and connect 3 rolls. With the same procedure, make another one also and make cuts on the 2 sides of edge parts in a cross shape. Now take another piece of paper and apply glue and connect it and cut on the edges part as shown in the video. Apply glue and close it on the 3 sides neatly, 4 sides neatly. After connecting, now take a 10 mm piece of paper strip and rotate around this rolu. Apply glue and connect neatly to give a nice look. After connecting, make cuts and apply glue and close it. Apply glue and close it neatly on the 4 edges sides to give a nice look. Now take a small piece of roll, apply glue and connect on the piece of paper like this. Cut on 4 edges, apply glue and close the 4 edges like this as shown in the video. Now roll is completed. Now paint the roll in a traditional way. I have attached a small rice on this roll. Now join 5 mm 3 mm 25 strips of 2 tight coils and make little bit dome shape as I repeated for the bridegroom. I am repeating from the bride. Now connect the two domes. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making base part for the bride. Join 3 mm 25 strips of another tight coil and make small dome shape. Now 2 domes are ready. Apply glue to the two domes like this. Apply glue and spread it neatly with the help of hands. Do it slowly and neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, it will be like this. Now connect the 2 domes. My one strip length is 28 cm and connect the 2 domes like this. Now join 5 mm 2 strips for making neck. Join 5 mm 21 strips for making stomach part and make a tight coil of 21 strips. Now take a piece of paper and make pleats like this. Here I am making saree for the bride like this. Now take a same color combination and spread it neatly to the whole paper. I have painted to the whole paper. Now take a green color paper and I have attached a green color pearl paint and connect to it. After drying, it will be like this. I have made some designs with the golden 3D liner. After doing, it will be like this, like a real pattu saree. Now cut on middle part of edges and rotate around this coil like this. Now saree part is ready like this. Now I have made designs on the back side of the blouse. Now connect this base body to this saree coil like this. Let it dry for some time. Now join 10 mm 4 strips and make a tight coil. Make a bigger tight coil. Make big tight coil like this. Now join 10 mm 4 strips and make small tight coil. Now again join 10 mm 3 strips of cone shape and make a cone shape. Apply glue inside the 3 cones and spread it neatly. Now again join 5 mm one strip and make a foot. Here I am making metal scene in the marriage theme dolls. Now apply glue inside the cone like this. Now take a 5 mm paper strip and roll it like this. Here I am making fingers for the legs like this. Close it. It will be the big finger. Now take another piece of paper and apply glue little bit and just roll it as small as small. Make small roll and connect to the like a finger. Complete another 3 fingers also like this. I have made another foot also. Now legs are ready. Now connect to take a 2 cones and connect like this. Now legs are ready. Now apply glue and connect this legs to on the base part on inside the dome like this, inside the saree. Let it dry for some time. Now take a piece of paper and make pleats like this and connect. It will be the saree. Connect to the base body like this. After connecting, it will be like this. After connecting, after drying the legs, I have attached the foot also like this. Now again join 5 mm 2.5 strips and make a small cone shape. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a little bit bigger cone. Here I am making hands for bride. Apply glue neatly and spread it with the brush. Let it dry for some time. Now join 3 mm 2 strips. Here I am making palm. Apply glue. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 cones like this. It will be the hands for bride. My one strip length is 28 cm. For things in the checking description box below. Now connect the palm. With the same procedure, I have connected the another also, and I have painted the mehendi, and I have attached small bangles to the hands like this. Now hands also ready. Now apply glue to the hands and connect the hands to the base body of the bride like this. Let it dry for some time. Connect one by one. After connecting, I have attached hands like this, and I have attached ball chains as a jewelry for the bride. Like this, I have attached small chain, long chain, and I have made a base for the bride. Join 7 mm 35 strips. Make a tight coil, and I have painted it and make a roll for standing look nicely. Now again join 5 mm 3 mm 9 strips and make a dome shape. Here I am making face for bride. Apply glue inside the dome. Now take a black color coil and make little bit dome shape and apply glue and spread it neatly with the help of hands. Do it slowly when you are spreading the glue. After drying, connect the 2 cones. Here I am making face for the bride. After take a piece of paper and cut in a cross shape like this. It will be the nose. Now nose is ready. Now connect the nose. For making ears, join 2 mm 1/5 strip for each cone ears. Now attach ears. Now take a 10 mm paper strip and make small cuts as shown in the video with the help of scissor. Here I am making pula jada for the bride. Make small cuts and open it and close it on the another side as shown in the video, and roll it like this in a flower shape. Now rotate the orange color, same procedure paper like this. Pula jada. Now join 3 mm 4 strips of tight coil on the back side. Attach it and attach this flower on the back side and rotate around the hair like this to give a pelli pula jada look. I have made a facial expressions on the face, and I have attached small jewelry to the face like this. Now face is ready. Now apply glue and connect the face to the base body of the bride. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time. Now take 10 mm paper strip of black color and repeat same procedure for making flowers, for making the big pula jada. Like this, repeat same procedure and connect on the other side like this. It will give a nice pelli pula jada look for the bride. And I have attached a small rice and leaves for on the head part. Now bride also ready. Now take a cardboard sheet and cover with the red color paper and make rangoli on the cardboard. Now base is ready. Now connect the bridegroom, bride and this rolu. Metalu scene is ready. In the wedding scenes, Metalu scene, the bridegroom is putting Metalu to the bride in a traditional marriage. It is looking super cute and it is very easy to make at the home. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.